Welcome to GeoChimp. Today, I'll show you how to construct a triangle. First, we need to construct the 3 vertices of the triangle. To do this, select Point from the Construct menu and click on the drawing board to place a point. Repeat this step until all 3 vertices of the triangle have been created. Next, we'll draw the sides of the triangle. Select Line from the Construct menu, then click the 2 vertices you want to connect. A line segment will be drawn between the selected points. Repeat this step until all 3 sides of the triangle have been created. Next, we'll add labels to the vertices. Select Add Description from the Construct menu, then click one of the triangle's vertices. A label will be added to the selected vertex. Repeat this step for all 3 vertices of the triangle. You can adjust the position of each label by dragging it to the desired location. The labels of the points can be customized. To change a label, double-click on the description and enter the desired text. Then press Tab to save the new label. You can also format the triangle. Open the formatting window by selecting Format Objects from the Format menu. In the window, choose a suitable color and line thickness for the triangle. Then select all 3 sides of the triangle to format them accordingly. Change the lined thickness to 4. Then select the vertices of the triangle to make them larger and apply the new color. Next, choose a larger font size and enable bold formatting. Then select the 3 labels of the triangle vertices to apply the formatting. The formatting window can now be closed. The vertices of the triangle can be moved at any time. If you want to save the construction, click on File and select Save. A window will open where you can enter a title and a description for the construction. By clicking Save, the construction will be stored in your browser's local storage and can be opened again at any time. Try it yourself and create your own geometric constructions at www.GeoChimp.Education.